Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy mini claw clip hairstyle in just a couple of minutes. To start, we're going to divide the hair straight across into two halves, and then we're going to just secure the top half into a ponytail. Clip this out of the way for now, and then sweep all the remaining hair up as close as possible and secure it into another ponytail directly below the first one. I've added some texture spray to the top of the hair. I'll pop everything I use in the description below, and I'm just pinching and pulling for more texture and volume. I'm going to divide each ponytail into three. Then, using a couple of fingers, I'm going to hook the top of the ponytail and start twisting the hair. Keep going until you get to the very ends, and then we're just going to hold that little bundle of twists to the head. Then secure each side with a mini claw clip. This doesn't have to be perfect because the messier you can get it, the better it looks. So grab another piece of hair, hook a couple of fingers near the top, and then start twisting them all in one direction. Once you run out of hair, just hold it to the head and secure each side with a mini claw clip. And I've got one more piece out of the top ponytail, so twist it up, and I'm going to lay it over the elastic band so you can't see it, and secure each side. And we're just going to do the same steps on the ponytail below in three sections. Just keep in mind, once you're pinning these, you need to form a bun shape, so try and make it nice and round. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Then just finish off that last section, so hook your fingers, keep twisting it until you get to the end of the hair, hold that little bundle of curls to the head and secure with a couple of clips. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.